everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 16th to the 20th of March 2026 on Monday. Katlego avoid Ezekiel's call, angering him, while Isaac's lawyer bring hope to as Keita begins consciousness and may now testify to clear Isaac on Tuesday. Driver admits he failed to kill Keita, but Ezekiel believes Keita's brain damage is a divine intervention. Gok Mahlangu is devastated to learn Keita has no awareness despite being awake on Wednesday. Ezekiel blames Isaac for Keita's condition and incites the community, while Isaac and Maria learns Keita can't testify, making documentary proof their only hope on Thursday. Ezekiel intimidates Katlego into silence, but later the boy confesses to Molefe that he overheard the full conspiracy, including the order to kill Keita on Friday. Isaac's lawyer says Katlego's testimony isn't enough without a proof from Ezekiel's files, prompting them to ask Keletso about accessing his computer. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.